So let's discuss inheritance in depth. In inheritance, we have parent class, base class. So if your interview asks you what is parent class or what is base class, both are one and the same, or super class. So all these three terms are same. These three all represent super class or parent class. Or it means that it's a parent class. And in the case of child class, he or she can ask you about child class or drive class. These are called child class or drive class. So child class can extend parent class. Child class can extend parent class. So extends is a keyword in Java. So which if you want to provide inheritance, then you need to use this extends keyword. Suppose we have XYZ class and this is my parent class and it has property int I comma j and I have ABC, that is child class or derived class. So this child class has some properties int a comma b. So ABC class will extend XYZ. So let's create this classes first. Create one more package I will create here. Okay, I have XYZ class here and in this class I have two variables int I comma j and will create one function here or one method here void xyz. So this is my method. I will write one statement over here inside. So I have created this method and I will create one more class, that is abc. Abc will extend. In this abc I have two variables a and b and one function I have. So I will create one function abc and I will write one statement here. So I will create one test class here. So demonstrate the inheritance. So here I will create one main method. So I will create object of child class. Child class is nothing but our ABC. Okay. ABC is equal to new of ABC. So with ABC, if you create and you want to access the parent class property, you should be able to access. But here, if you see here, I'm not able to access parent or xyz class property. Why? Because I have not used this extend keyword. If you are not using this extend keyword, interview may ask you, I have two classes xyz and abc and I want to access the property and he forgets or he intentionally not extend this class, then you need to tell that we can't access because it's not yet extended the parent class. So you need to be aware about this extends keyword, otherwise your answer may wrong. So here I will extend first, then I will only able to access. Now if you see here, I am able to access ABC as well as XYZ's properties. Let me show. So I will print ABC dot. So we are able to access this A class properties. Let me assign some value so that we can identify. For A is 10, 11, and here it is 20, 21. 20, 21. So we can access parent as well as child's all the properties. Now run this program. So we are able to access all the property, even we can call the function. So this is already I have explained in my previous tutorials. So for new, I will show you one more example. So class is nothing but user defined data type. So we are defining our own data type here. So XYZ is a data type, ABC is a data type. So if you see here, XYZ is a type, ABC is a type, and also XYZ also one type. But we extend XYZ, so ABC also becomes type of XYZ. So ABC has two type like ABC and XYZ, and xyz is not extending anyone, so it will extend object class. It will extend object class. So now abc has two types. abc has two types. XYZ as well as object type. So if you see here, so I will create one object ABC. So ABC has multiple types because we have parent class also. So we can write this object like this: ABC, ABC. Is it? But because of one theory, we can create object of child class. And here, because ABC is also of type XYZ, I am going to use this XYZ as a reference. So because ABC has three types, any one of the type can be used as a reference. So we can use XYZ as a reference. We can use object as a reference here. It won't give you any error. I can use this object as well. So this example you will see anywhere in your project. So everywhere you will see this type of references in your projects as well. So keep in mind, if it is a type of this, then you can assign easily. But you are not extending, then you can't assign this. So because of this theory, we can say to the reference of parent class, we can assign object of its child class. To the reference of to the reference of parent class, we can assign object of child class. So because of this theory, we can assign, or we can say to the object of child class, we can assign into reference of parent class, or reverse you can also use. But to the reference of parent class, we can assign any object of its child class. So I will use this theory here. I will create new object here, new ABC. ABC is a child class, and ABC I can use, no doubt in this. But new ABC, and now I'm gonna use XYZ. So it won't give you error. Even I can use object as well. Object object is equal to new ABC. It won't give you any error. So if you are using this reference here, let me create the object. So if you are creating object of ABC, it will try to create object of ABC, but it will check whether ABC extended or not. It extends XYZ, then it will try to create this XYZ, and it will check whether XYZ extends or not. So XYZ is not extending any class, so it will extend object class. So it will extend object class. So this chain of object will be created, and this represents ABC, this represents XYZ, and this represents object. So inside this XYZ we have I and J. Here we have A and B, also function ABC and function XYZ respectively in XYZ and ABC. So when I create this, you know how to use this ABC, but in the case of XYZ, what happens? XYZ XYZ is equal to new A, B. In this case also, three objects will be created, but reference stores into this XYZ. Three objects will be created, but reference stores into the XYZ. So here if you try to call this A, it won't call because it's a level down. So up level we can use, can't use level down. So if you want to access this A, we can't we can't call using this reference because it is representing this XYZ. All higher we can access, but lower we cannot access because we are using reference of parent class. So let me try to here we can only access XYZ and object class properties or methods. We are not able to access ABC even though we have created object of ABC. So if you are creating reference of parent class, then you need to make sure that whatever the properties available in XYZ, same properties we will be able to access, otherwise we will to access the higher property. We cannot access lower class properties. So here we are able to access only I and J. So 2021 will be available. So we are only able to access this I, J and function XYZ because it's available in XYZ. We have created this reference XYZ dot function XYZ. So these three we are able to access, but we are not able to access ABC, and even though we have created object of this class. So what is the use of this in IDEA? So actual difference come because of overridden class. So I will create one common class here. Void common. This method I will override in child library. Same method I will override in child class. So this is the method of ABC class. So at this time, if I want to access, see here common method is available in both the object. This common method is available here. Also it is available here. So what happens when I call xyz dot common? Which method will be executed? So xyz method should be executed because we have checked it will be available for xyz only. It is not available to abc. But we have created object of abc. Both methods are common in this object. Okay, common is available in xyz as well as abc. So let's run. So I have not called this common method from here. I will call this common. Let's comment all these things. Run this program. Which method executed? Inside common of class ABC. Which means that this XYZ, even though we are using this XYZ reference, it is not executing this common method. It is executing child class common method. Actual difference here comes. If we have overridden method, then it will call child class method. It won't call parent class method because the object which we are using, that is ABC. But in the case of variable, it won't override. If we have I and j in both the class, then it will call this ij. But in the case of method, because we are overriding, so this is actual inheritance in Java, and this is actual overriding. So it will check whether this object is available in parent class. Then it will check. It will goes down. If we have another hierarchy, then it will go down, and then it will call that particular method from. So this is the actual difference. Thanks for watching.